moving along, right? We got most of it done. Oh. Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Working on Pontiac.
I want to say the worst of it's already behind us, which is that side.
Right.
What a nightmare. I felt like I was restoring a garden. It was all dirt. What are you doing in here? You doing a floor?
Well,
This is your patch?
check this out.
You got a lot of patching you're doing here.
Look.
That's a reinforcement part for your body.
Right. I actually ran out of thick metal, so that's just...
No, but whatever, we'll order it.
More.
In the meantime, just get your patch ready.
But look at this side. I can bang on it, the car won't break in half.
You got a lot of patchwork to do in here. All right, come on, let's do it. Let's go.
That's bad, hold on. Well, what I'm doing is I am welding the trunk to this.
You're doing a great job, bro. I just wanted to tell you.
Oh, it's coming out.
So what do you got going on? You're pretty much done with the trunk. This is the trunk?
This is the trunk. This is the inner quarter. And this is the brace that turns, remember?
Yeah.
Look.
You mean the support that holds the actual body.
This piece. This is some of it. Check that out.
Woo! Forget about it. Alright, so that's this piece here you're saying, right? It's a big support. What's
Hold on.
next?
Now wait. Everybody watching is probably wondering, what is this?
That's a factory stub.
Yes, and I put it back in.
That's good.
See
You're
what I mean?
supposed to do that. That's if like it fills up with water here and it doesn't come out, you pop one of these out. You know what these are really for? They dip the car in primer, a metal primer. Very thin. It's just to coat every piece so it goes into a giant tub. This is where the primer goes into every square inch of the car. Then when it's done, you got a hole. So they plug them up with these plastic things.
Right.
Cool, bro.
So
what else?
I got that in. And
What's next?
This is the core. Now, it's not like the other side. No, I didn't even show everybody what the other side actually looks like because it's finished. Come here. That is passenger side completely done and out of the way.
You made the piece over here.
Take this piece over here, which has to be done to the other side. Not as much, but just like from here to here thing. Yeah, basically. It's right here. But this is my quarter. I didn't have to make a whole quarter like the other side. I just made some of the lower. This go just like this on to that.
You want to tack it on real quick?
Yeah.
Got your flare and everything? Good.
It's going to be butt welded in the whole 9 yards. After that, I'm going to be doing this side of the quarter. See this? Alright, this rocker is shot, obviously.
All right, whatever. You change it. All right, you want to tack this?
Let's tack that up.
Oops. Okay. Got it on there?
Yeah.
Good.
There you go. After this piece is completely welded in, I gotta make this inner right here. See that? Gotta replace it.
If you follow the flow of the wheel opening, it's perfect. Not to mention, it's a complete exact copy of what you ripped off.
I'm gonna mark this of where I need to cut. This way I can take this piece off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go further up.
Okay, good.
There you go.
This is all solid right here.
Now, real quick, before we continue,
Yeah.
ever see a mechanic version of B.A. Baracus from 18?
Oh.
Instead of having gold chains, he has a real chain.
No, I was putting it away.
Anyway,
Let's do it.
let's do it.
Who's that? What do you got? How you making out?
I'm making out pretty good. Taking this piece off.
Nice. Oh man, what the? Cut the skin of the rocker off, and let's just take a look behind this. We'll do this after, so we can see about that support, that frame piece you got to fix.
Leave this.
Well, for now. Look, looks like dancing roaches. Well, go ahead, finish cutting. Well, make sure you clean this up because this. Oh my. Look at this. Anybody home? It's all a mouse house.
Not that bad.
Mint. Well, there you go. You need everything like the other side. How you looking?
Pretty good. I got this quarter completely done. It's finished and out of the way. All right.
Looks wonderful. Looks great.
It literally looks like I didn't even touch it. A lot better than that, huh?
Oh yeah.
So, yeah.
That's solid.
So now the next step is to do the rear body panel. It's rotted. What else is new? See this? It's all rot. Now you're probably thinking from here up, it's solid. It's not. Old tiny little holes every square inch. You put it that way.
So you're going up to the pinch weld?
I'm going up to the pinch weld, exactly. But the only thing is I ran out of metal. Not that I ran out of metal. I don't have a big enough piece for the rear body panel. I don't want to weld two pieces of metal together, which I
want to do it in one shot,
but I don't.
Straight across.
Just one shot, done. It's professionally done, and that's it. So while I wait for metal on this, because I ordered it, I'm going to be throwing the seat out in the meantime because I got to do the floors.
Are you really? Yeah, I know. This is all part of the floor. This is part of the rug. Yeah, that's where you put your feet.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I need floors. After the rear body panel's done, do that side, do the rocker, do this part of the quarter. Remember what I found?
Oh yeah.
Right.
And
yeah.
the inside, you got a lot of stuff to do even on the inside. Look how
Right.
nice. Everything came out so nice up here.
Yep.
Look at this, beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Oh yeah.
This was the main thing that had to be done.
This side of the car was unbelievable. I don't know why we fixed this thing. This thing should have gotten thrown out.
Low production.
Low production. Forget about it. How about peace of mind? Throw this junk in the garbage.
Trust
You know?
me, it's worth it. This is a car.
Well, at least
This
you saved
isn't-
one.
This isn't a car that you go on eBay like, hey, here's one. Yeah, you want to make a deal? All right. No, no.
Well, how many did they make?
2,800.
2,800 of
Of a
this?
Catalina Sport Coupe. Bubble top.
Now you got to start the filler work.
That's not the hard part.
That's a lot of fun too.
That's not the hard part. You gotta get the brakes working, the engine, the trains, the brakes.
That's all bolt on. The body, you have to be like a sculptor. You have to, a sculptor.
Nope.
It's a guy that sculpts. Yes, it
A
is.
sculptor? You need a sculpture.
This will be a sculpture, but I'm a sculptor. Because I'm going to do all the filler work on it. Don't laugh at me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll argue about that later. Anyway, all right, come on.
So yeah.
Got it out?
Yeah.
How you making out, bro?
Pretty good. Yeah. You can tell it's pretty rough.
I didn't even eat anything with onions in it, and I burped up a garlic today. Oh.
And you got this, the floors where your feet go.
You sure
That's
do
it.
you don't have a floor. That's the problem. Look at this. You did a lot, huh?
Yeah, I got the seat out, the carpet, the rug. Should have seen that side when I pulled the rug off. It was a floor mat for your feet.
Really?
This is the seat. Not bad condition. Old Pontiacs from back in the day, they would do asymmetrical. See that? My mother hates asymmetrical.
I know,
Hates
she
it.
freaks out. She twitches a lot when she sees that everything's uneven.
Especially when she sees this.
Right.
And that's what I did when I saw all the rot. Anyway, so that's the seat. All the rug is shot. You know that. So I
Well, the
figured
rug
out.
came out in pieces.
It came out in pieces, but
Yeah.
you should have seen what I found under it.
What'd you find?
This is the mat I found. Okay?
Right. Look at that. That was for a back seat. That's where you put your feet.
Yep. I found this.
You found a whole bunch of stuff from what you were
A
telling
whole
me.
bunch of stuff, but this is just some.
Well, you know what? Let's not do too much here. We'll do a video
since
on
they
this stuff
saw-
all on its own.
Since they saw this, I'll just tell this.
All right, okay.
This is an old 1950s ice scraper.
That's so cool.
Early
Look at it.
60s. If you
Even the ice was easier to deal with back then in the snow. Look at
I
how
know.
look, a little toothpick. Boop, boop, boop.
That's it.
Right?
Which I'm surprised.
Now they look like baseball bats. They're made out of like steel and like hardened plastic and stuff. Do you ever see one? It looks like
Where are you
the
going?
frame of a bridge. All right, here. What's up, Giuseppe?
Well, I'm putting the spot weld holes in now. And when I'm done with this, it's going to look like a factory setup because if you look here,
Yeah.
this is a separate piece.
So where you separated the rusted area,
Right.
is at a factory seam.
Exactly. And this is going to be, the other side of the floor is going to be the brace.
You got a brace
So when
there,
you
okay.
look underneath, you're not going to see anything. This brace is actually where the seat is bolted onto. This one and the one behind it. So when I weld this piece in on the seam, and when I weld it onto the brace, it's going to look like I never even touched it. It's going to look factory. Here's what I got so far, just like that. See how beautiful?
Yeah, that's good.
And this...
Well, once it's welded in, it's going to look perfect.
Right, this hump...
So you won't have any seams or anything, right?
No. So this hump, I'll call it, the old floor had it too.
Right, that's a copy of the old floor.
All
And these are all parts from?
C2C, classic to current fabrications.
Okay.
You know?
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, so I was just going to do the passenger side floor and flip the car on, but I'm just going to do the floor, driver's side too, get it done and out of the way. You don't have to think about it.
Yeah, let's do it. All right.
What I got so far, the rear and front floor pans are tacked in, so we're moving along. How you making out here?
Good. Moving along. What's up?
Want to go for a ride with the Volvo? Go for a quick test drive? The 240.
Oh, no, forget about it. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
I knew you were going to say that. I knew you were going to say that.
It's gonna rain.
I knew you were going to say that. Why can't we drive it in the rain?
You don't got windshield wipers on that car. Forget it.
Yeah? I got that covered and then some.
What was that, a head gasket?
No, windshield wipers.
But I was busy.
It's okay.
Tomorrow.
No, I'm going to beep and open the garage door. Let's do it. I got you this time.
What do you got, pinoli nuts coming out of this thing? Where the hell was this car?
This car was under a tree for
What kind of tree?
22 years. What's that?
Giant Christmas tree. It's got little needles. Look.
Yeah,
this is
I forgot what
spruce.
tree had a... Is it spruce?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's sitting
anyway.
under one of those. Why is my car wet? Can you wipe that? That's your drool and your spit.
It's not,
From the end of your cigar. Before and after. Which one do you think is better?
Well, this has a thing on it.
Well, I know that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's another one. That is just gorgeous. Yeah, no, those aren't going to get water off the windshield anymore. Oh, look at that. You got instructions, too. And there you go.
You did it?
Yeah. But,
No, okay,
you
good.
gotta
Go
see
park
if they
it.
work. No, we're going to go for a ride.
Come on, really? Well, what if someone sees me in this thing?
Yeah.
Okay, see if they work.
First, don't do that.
Are they laughing or are they afraid?
The car's laughing at me. It's like, what the hell?
All right, go park it outside.
All
Go
right,
ahead.
I'll meet you outside.
No, yeah. What the heck am I doing?
Trust me, yo. Oh,
Taking over the world.
one set of windshield wipers on a Volvo at a time.